Covering the garden bed with the greenhouse plastic was a good, easy, quick win for this stressful day, but we still had to deal with the chicken coop. Before we were able to cut the tree off of the chicken house, we needed to cut the top of the tree off. It was a very dangerous maneuver with my husband standing on top of the old chicken house, and it was quite rickety. With the log balanced on top of the chicken coop, we were worried that it would crush the entire structure if it fell the wrong way, so we did our best to be very careful and put it exactly where we wanted it.
How's it looking?
It went back a little bit.
What?
It's not going down.
Okay, I'll do the rest of it. Here we go.
Luckily, the tree came down exactly where we wanted it to be, not causing any further damage, and we were able to move on to dealing with the stump. The stump was leaning far enough that it was actually in the space where the chicken coop was supposed to be. Yay! Putting the fence post back up.
Maybe.
We're not pulling down that other one, are we?
Hard to say.
I think maybe. I think it's out of the chicken coop though.
It's out of the chicken coop.
Yeah. This is the chicken's first time out of the chicken coop. Normally they live inside. I'm going to have them have a space to go outside in the summer, but not in my main garden. This is an emergency situation. Alright, so we are working on the chicken house, me and my very good friend. We got the wall put back up. Needs a couple more staples for the hardware cloth. Getting the roof trusses put back in. Not exactly sure what we're going to do about the tarp, but we're making good progress. Alright, so this is a new thing that we did just today. We put a support brace in the middle of this wall, because this wall, yeah, Mr. Rooster, this wall was really long, and what it should do, if I can get in here without stepping on a chicken, is it should support this side of the nest box here, so it is more stable and sturdy, so the chickens are happier. Alright, so the inside of the chicken house is all put back together. We've got the perch attached to the top again. The food luckily was always good. The water was always good. Need to put a lid on that again though. And now the nest box is not only up but sturdier than it was before. So the last thing that we have to do is put up the roof, make sure it's tight. It'll probably be a little bit of a make-do job for right now. I'm hoping to replace this roof this summer with a couple panels of tin roofing and then maybe a couple panels of like the greenhouse type roofing that goes on roofs. So I'll let you guys know when it is all finished. Alright, so we fixed the tarp on this side. It is not that great, but the tarp was wearing out anyway, and again I'm hoping to replace this summer with something even better. It will work for now, it'll work in the spring weather until I get around to replacing it. Now it's time to go round up the chickens and put them back in. Go back in your house. In the house. Yummy food in the house. Happy perches in the house. Go on. Go on.